This is how to turn off the setting when you swipe left like this and you swipe from left to right and you see these articles. This is Google Discover. To keep the Google app on the left screen here, on the left swipe or left to right swipe, but turn off Google Discover, open the settings app and in the settings scroll until you see Google. Tap on all services to see all the settings. And then you go scroll until you see Search Assistant and Voice. Tap on this. You can go to the same settings in the Google app, but I show you in the settings, it's more general in the settings. And here you have all the settings for Google Assistant, for Gemini, but look for other settings. Tap on other settings. Here you have the setting for Discover. Turn off Discover. Now when I do this swipe left to right, I have this option to enable Google Discover if I wanted to, or make a Google search. If you don't want to have this at all to open this page here, you can actually change the home screen settings. Long press in an empty area of the home screen and then look for home settings. For your Android phone, this might be a little bit different. This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Look for Show Google App, and if you turn this off, then this swipe from left to right doesn't do anything. There is no more swipe left to right. I still have the Google app if I want to use it. I still have the search. I can use Lens, AI mode, or even search for a song. All the settings are there, but the Discover option is turned off. Thanks for watching.